Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 16. Finding more blocks. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how you can find more blocks, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select Add New. Now here first enter your post title. Then, click on this plus button to add blocks and then select Browse All. From here you can add blocks or patterns into your post. Select the block you like to add. Here we have blocks from every possible category. So this way you can find more blocks to add into your posts. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 17. Reusable blocks. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the reusable blocks, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.